All right, I'm here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and we discussed something a few months ago as it relates to car accidents and collapsible seats, but it seems that this scenario continues to come up over and over. So there are often vehicles that have been designed so when the car gets struck from behind or rear ends somebody, the seat will just collapse and fall backwards. But unfortunately, I guess what these designers didn't think about is there could be somebody in the back seat. So David, explain what the issue is as it pertains to personal injury and a car accident with these collapsible seats.
Yeah. So in these type of particular situations, there's a lot of, in car accidents, you get rear-ended. Most of the car accidents that we see are rear-end collisions. People are not paying attention. And some of the cars out there, the seat back, you got the bottom of the seat which you sit on, and then there's the seat back, which is what the technical term for it is. Some manufacturers have not made those seat backs stringent to where if you get into a rear end impact, it's not able to withstand that type of impact. And what happens is the seat back literally just collapses like that. And in the past, it used to be a problem because a lot of the occupants, the drivers or the passengers, used to fly backwards and end up hitting the back seat and suffer severe injuries, even to the point of being paraplegic or quadriplegic. But subsequent to that, they also noticed that a lot of times what happens is that children who are in the car seat behind you suffer severe injuries, because you could imagine your head and your body and the amount of force that causes you to go backward is a lot of force, and these parents or the drivers would get trajected backwards into the face of the children, and severe injuries would happen. The manufacturers have some excuses in saying, well, we don't want to make the seats too stiff, because if we make them too stiff and stringent, then the occupant, the driver, will suffer severe injuries, and the seat back failure doesn't happen so often, so it's a numbers thing. So we're basically working out to make sure that those people, the general population of the masses, don't suffer soft tissue injuries if we make it really stringent, which we don't buy that, but that's their excuse for now. And usually the cost of making those seats a lot more stringent is not that much. Some of the other car companies have already done that, and in terms of injuries, I don't think that that's occurred. It's a very technical area. If anybody has sustained injury as a result of the seat back failure, or an occupant of their vehicle who's been in the back seat has sustained, we'd be more than happy to talk to you about your case and see if there's anything we can do to help, and fight against the car companies who refuse to spend that extra money to make their seats a little bit more tougher.
Absolutely, and if you would like to contact the law offices of David Azizi, please find the phone number below in the YouTube video as well as above in the YouTube video. Thank you for your time, David.
All right, thank you.